We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. This one is in black and silver, and it has a pinstripe as well. It's got the engine protection guards, rider floorboards, a Mustang seat, and a Dean exhaust system. Smoked out tail lenses. And it also has a heel toe shifter. And we also have those smoked out turn signals in the front as well. This bike runs on a fob, so we are keyless. Miles are 19,823. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.